Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Capcut editing and learning how to add another video to your projects. There are actually two ways to do this, depending on what you want to achieve. So whether you want to simply merge clips or create a cool overlay effect, this video has you covered. So the first method, that is merging videos, let's jump right in. First, open the Capcut app and start a new project, or simply create a new project by adding some photos or videos. Click on Add. Now, to add another video that plays one after another, simply tap on this plus sign and browse through your device storage and select the video you want to merge and hit the Add button. You'll see both of the clips placed sequentially on the timeline. Now, to adjust the order, just tap and hold a video clip and drag it to the desired position. You can also trim or split the video clips using the editing tools at the bottom of the screen. Now, the second method, that is to add videos as an overlay. Maybe you want a picture-in-picture effect, where a smaller video plays on top of your main clip, like we see in some gaming or reaction videos. That's where overlays comes in. Tap on the overlay icon. Again, click on Add Overlay and select the video and click on this Add button. Once added, you can resize and reposition the overlay video using your fingers.
This is a dearest memory of mine, when I was gazing at the sunrise from the viewpoint of Sarangkot, Pokhara.
Now, bonus tip for you guys. When adding an overlay video, its audio will also be included by default. If you only want the main video's audio, tap on the overlay clip and then volume. Here, you can easily adjust or even mute the overlay to keep your original soundtrack. And that's it. With these two methods, you can easily add another video to your Capcut edits. And remember to experiment with different layouts and effects to create unique and engaging videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more Capcut editing tips and tricks. Thank you.